Picture this. You are 80 years old on a trip to Disneyland with your family, and you cannot wait to take your grandchildren to the beach you yourself visited so many times as a child. You make the 17-hour drive from your cold Indiana home, and when you finally get to the beach and everyone is all sunscreened and ready, you step onto miles and miles of trash as far as the eye can see. You had no idea that all of the Save the Turtle slogans you heard as a child would add up to something like this. Trash in our ocean is a huge problem, not just for our beach vacations, but also for the wildlife and the sea animals living in there. According to National Geographic, we currently have 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic debris floating throughout our oceans. And though scientists know a great deal about the damage to marine life caused by large pieces of plastic, the potential harm caused by microplastics is less clear. What effect do they have on fish that consume them? When taking a trip to the beach, you may not even notice how polluted our oceans are. But according to onegreenplanet.org, that is because an overwhelming amount of plastic pollution is not even visible to the human eye, with much of the pollution occurring out at sea or on a microscopic level. According to smithsonianocean.edu, this tiny plastic confetti, along with larger pieces of floating plastic, creates a big problem. Birds and filter feeders that strain food out of the water may mistake plastic for plankton, fish eggs, or other food. On remote Midway Atoll, Laysan albatross parents accidentally feed their chicks bits of plastic, which fill up their stomachs and cause them to eventually starve. Deep-sea fish living near the garbage patch eat the tiny bits of plastic. Scientists have discovered that microbial ecosystems grow on the floating plastic bits to unknown effect. Even in the unprotected waters of the Papa Marine National Monument along the northwestern Hawaiian Islands, our trash threatens endangered species like Hawaiian monk seals and green sea turtles. You might be wondering how many actually die from consuming a bit of plastic. According to SeaTurtles.org, hundreds of thousands of sea turtles, whales, and other marine mammals, and more than 1 million seabirds die each year from ocean pollution and ingestion or entanglement in marine debris. Sea turtles mostly search for plankton to eat, and according to researchers, for every 2.2 pounds of plankton in the ocean, there is 13.2 pounds of plastic. Hopefully that put it into perspective why sea turtles are constantly getting tricked by plastic in the ocean. By disposing of your trash the right way, you are not only preserving the look of our planet, you are also preserving the wildlife living in it. We are so quick to jump on dairy farms for the way they treat their animals, but what about the trash that people are littering, causing all of our ocean life to die? So what can you do to help? There's tons. And it is not just donating money or flying to Florida to clean up the beaches. It is all about the little things, because the little things in the end do add up. The Environments tab on National Geographic has wonderful little things that you yourself can do to help. The easiest and most helpful thing that you can do to help is to use fewer plastic waste products. Plastics that end up as ocean debris contribute to habitat destruction and entanglement and kill tens of thousands of marine animals each year. To limit your impact, carry a reusable water bottle, store food in non-disposable containers, and bring your own cloth tote or reusable bag when shopping, and recycle whenever physically possible. Next, you can influence change within your community. Research the ocean policies of public officials before you vote, or contact your local representatives to let them know you support marine conservation projects. And the last thing that you can do, that's free, is educate yourself about oceans and marine life. All life on Earth is connected to the ocean and its inhabitants. The more you learn about the issues facing this vital system, the more you'll want to ensure its health. Then share that knowledge to educate and inspire others around you. But you can also go the extra mile and help with ocean cleanup. There is this very cool bracelet made by 4Ocean that you can purchase online. Each of their bracelets are made from recycled plastic found in our oceans. According to 4Ocean.com, for every bracelet you purchase, you help remove 1 whole pound of plastic waste from the ocean. They also offer many different colors that show awareness that bring awareness to certain wildlife in our oceans. Or you can go even further and donate your money to an actual ocean cleanup organization like Oceana. Oceana has already protected over 4.5 million square miles of ocean and an innumerable amount of sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, and other sea creatures. Oceana has an amazing About Us page that states how far they have come and what they do to truly help our oceans. Oceana was founded in 2001 and is the largest international advocacy organization focused solely on ocean conservation. Oceana has gone on many expeditions since 2001, including Juan Fernandez, Oregon Coast, the Ranger, and Canary Islands. You can go to oceana.org to possibly join their team, or you can donate to their campaign just to help keep them going. Our oceans need help, our sea life is helpful, and there are so many things that you can do to help. Don't be dumbfounded 60 years down the line. At the rate our nation is going, beach vacations will just be a thing of the past and stories you tell for generations down the line. Us humans are being selfish when so much as buying a reusable cup can save a few sea turtles every day.